welcome! Today, I am going to teach you how to eat a mango like a Filipina. Getting straight to the point, this is how you do it. First, you need to grab a ripe mango and start peeling off the skin like you are peeling a banana. Make sure to only peel it partially though, so you can use the mango skin to hold the bottom part of the fruit. Then, just go ahead and start eating the upper part of the mango's interior, just like this. So delicious!
Mama, I'm gonna get you.
Better avoid it. But be sure not to bite the seeds. It's hard, and better off you're avoiding it. Then move on to the other side part of the mango, being sure to enjoy every flavorful bite until the mango skin starts getting in the way. We can solve this problem by slowly peeling off more of the skin using your hand. While you're in the process of peeling more, be sure to hold onto the seed of the mango to avoid your delicious fruit falling on the ground. This time, continue eating starting at the bottom. And continue enjoying until it's finished. Finally, just to make sure we don't waste even one lovely bite, use 2 hands to hold the seed and eat up any little bits of mango that's still attached to its seed. Look at now the seed of the mango. I hope you now know how to eat a mango like a Filipina. If you're interested to learn about how to choose a perfect ripe mango, be sure to watch my video on that. Also, hit subscribe for more delicious Philippine recipes. Thanks for watching and have a great day!